would like to know exactly what happened.
Me too. The best that I've been able to put together.
Tell me, it looks like. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
I believe Paul was shot first. For the simple fact of where he was located.
How many times was he shot?
Twice.
I thought he shot Maggie first because I could tell he shot her in the back of the head.
Here, there, he's offering up his theory about what he thought happened as the prosecution prepares to wrap up its case. Let's break this down with Jesse Weber, anchor and host on the Law and Crime Network, and criminal attorney Sara Azari, whose show Death by Fame airs Monday at 8 p.m. on Investigation Discovery. She's been critical of the prosecution in the Murdaugh case. All right, Jesse, what did you make of today's revelations?
If the jury believes everything that's been put forward by the prosecution, all the witnesses, that interview is not good for Alex Murdaugh because it basically reinforces a lot of his inconsistencies and lies. Let me give you an example for it. So first of all, he says he wasn't by the kennel video. You and I, we've spoken about it. There's the kennel video that shows him there. Right.
That's where the murders occurred.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Then he says he was at his mother's house for 45 minutes to an hour when car data and witness testimony suggests he was only there for 21 minutes. He is rattled when they tell him about the Snapchat video that's taken off of Paul's phone about an hour before the killings. He doesn't have a great explanation for why his clothes are different in that video from when investigators speak with him later. He says, I changed them maybe when I got back to the house.
Well, let me actually play that, and then I'll let Sarah respond to it. So this is number 3. This is where he is confronted, because you saw that video we were just playing. He's wearing a blue shirt, and then that's from like an hour before, and then later he's wearing a white shirt. Let's listen.
There is a video on Paul's phone of you and him on the farm that night, and you were in khaki pants and a dress shirt. You were playing with a tree.
I don't remember playing with a tree.
Yeah. I guess there was a tree sapling or something that had fallen over or bending over, and you were trying to get it to stand up. But I mean, the question in that is, when I met you that night, you were in shorts and a t-shirt. At what point in that evening did you change clothes?
I'm not sure. It would have been
Before dinner or after dinner?
No, it would have been. What time of day was that? I would have thought I'd already changed.
There's not a time.
Sarah Azari, the pieces of the puzzle now?
Absolutely not.
Come on, really?
Absolutely
and the funny thing is,
not.
By the way, she truly believes this is not...
100%.
We were talking about this off camera. We were all debating this. Go ahead, explain why.
Yeah, so first of all, if you start parsing this and taking it out of context, it won't make sense to you. But when you fast forward to the interview that was conducted with him when he was in detox, he doesn't remember certain facts that are important. Not about this, but just in general in life, right? He doesn't remember dates. And in fact, the evisceration of this investigating officer's testimony yesterday just completely deflated the state's case. Okay, so all they have, Jesse, I'll give this to you, is a kennel video, which will be explained. And
How?
Well, hold on. I'm not his lawyer. So here's the deal.
He'll have to explain it.
He'll have to explain it, or his lawyers will explain it. Of course.
Yeah.
There'll be an explanation. But the fact that he was at his mom's for 20 minutes, they're not going to dispute that. The shorter the time, the less opportunity to do all the things that the prosecution's trying to pin on him, the less likely that one person would have committed the double homicide with 2 different guns, hosed himself off, gone to the Moselle property, then gotten back in his car, then turned off the lights and gone to his mother. And if you add up, the 16 minutes it took each way, plus the 20 minutes that he was there, it actually adds up to the hour that he tells this investigating officer.
Is the defense going to suggest there was more than one killer?
Absolutely. They're going with the 2-shooter theory. They're doing it in reenactment to show...
But the problem is, they've offered up a suggestion that perhaps Alex Murdaugh was, had enemies in the drug field.
Thank you for watching. Go to NewsNationNow.com to find NewsNation on your cable provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.